हेलो एस्पिरेंट, आई होप आप लोग सब सही होंगे, अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे. So in today's question, we are going to discuss about the profit and loss. And in the UPSC CSAT, this topic is also having a weightage. Sometime one question, sometime two questions maximum पूछे जाते हैं profit and loss topic से, where we know the selling price, cost price. इसके basis पे पूरा question solve हो जाता है. There will be a situation given in the question जहाँ पे one person selling something to the other person is again selling to the some other person, then we need to be find out the cost price of XYZ. That's kind of the question the UPSC is asking. So let's read the today's question. The question is saying A sold an article to B and C, okay, for 520 rupee and 320 rupee, okay, respectively. A sold an article to B for the 520 rupee and to the C for the 320 rupee. This is given in the question. Later A realized that twice of the profit he got by selling the article to B. Means जब उसने article B को बेचा, he got profit out of it. He made a profit out of it. Is equal to thrice the loss he incurred in the selling the C. When he sold article to C, he make a loss of it. जब उसने B को article बेचा, he make a profit. When he sold the article to the C, he make a loss. Now, what is the cost price of the article? We need to be find out what is the cost price of the article of A. हमें cost price निकालना है. तो जो हमें निकालना है, let's assume that first let the cost price of article is equal to X. Saying कि X is the cost price of article. Now let's come to the condition here. The condition is saying A realized that twice of the profit. The twice of the profit means twice of the profit means 520 is the selling price for the A to B. He is making the profit means the selling price is more than the cost price. Selling price is more than the cost price. So X is the cost price and 520 is the selling price. This is the first equation they are saying. In the second equation, it is equal to thrice the loss. Means जब उसने A ने C को बेचा है, he is making a loss. Means thrice the loss. Loss कब होगा? When the cost price X is more than the selling price. लॉस तभी होगा ना जब कोस्ट प्राइस सेलिंग प्राइस से ज्यादा होगा. मान लो कोस्ट प्राइस है 500 रुपी और सेलिंग प्राइस है 320 रुपी. देन द 500 माइनस 320 इज इक्वल टू 180. दैट इज द लॉस. ये एक जनरल आइडिया है, एक जनरल इक्वेशन है. इतना लॉस हो गया. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी आर लुकिंग एट कि हम स्पेसिफिकली देख रहे हैं ए ने बी और सी को आर्टिकल सोल्ड किया. ए बी को 520 में, सी को 320 में. He realized later on when he sold an article to the A, he made a profit of it. When he sell article to the C, he make a loss out of it. He told this in the some of the equation में उसने हमें बता दिया. When he sold his article to the A, he make a profit of twice the time of 520. That's the selling price minus the cost price. This profit of A is equal to the loss of A when he is selling the price to, when he is selling the article to the C, profit when he selling the article to B. तो उसको B को बेचने में प्रॉफिट होता है और C को बेचने में लॉस होता है. Twice the profit of B is equal to thrice the loss of C. ये वो कहना चाह रहा है. This is the question. Now we need to solve the equation here. Now let's solve the equation. 2 into 520 is equal to 1040 minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 320 into 3 is 960. Now 3x plus 2x is equal to 960 plus 1040. 5x is equal to 2000. 5x is equal to 2000. So x will be equal to 2000 divided by 5, that is equal to 400. Equal to 400 means the cost price of A for the article was 400 rupee. The cost price of A for the article was 400 rupee. So the answer here will be B. So answer here will be B. So we need to understand exactly what the question is saying. अगर हमें question समझ आ जाता है what the question is asking, then the question will become very easy. You need to understand exactly what the question is saying. और यही UPSC में you need to understand the language of the question. They are framing the language of the question. It will waste your time to understand the question. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन, we need to write the information that is given in the question, then we will solve the question. So in this question, A sold an article to B and C for 520 and 320 rupees. We know he sold an article to B with the rate of 520 to the C with the rate of 320. Later he realized that जो आर्टिकल उसने ए को बेचा उसमें उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ, जो आर्टिकल उसने बी को बेचा उसमें उसको लॉस हुआ. जो आर्टिकल बी को बेचने में प्रॉफिट हुआ, द ट्वाइस द प्रॉफिट ऑफ आर्टिकल टू द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द बी इज इक्वल टू thrice the loss he sold the article to the C. तो हमने एक इक्वेशन बना दी, twice the profit of the article of when he sold to the B and equal to thrice the loss of the article to the C. तो हमें यहाँ ये भी याद रखना है, प्रॉफिट तभी होता है when the selling price is greater than the cost price. तो यहाँ पे cost price से ज्यादा है selling price, so we are writing selling price here and the cost price here. Similarly in the case, loss तभी होता है when cost price is more than the selling price. तो cost price we consider it's an X and the selling price was 320. और ये prove भी हो रहा है, we get the cost price as a 400 rupee. We get the cost price as 400 rupee means यहाँ पे selling price कम था, 320 था, तो this यहाँ पे selling price ज्यादा था 520, तो यहाँ पे profit हो रहा है. So the answer of this question will be B, that is the 400. So at Edukemy we are starting our CSAT batch from the 15th of September and this is the right time to join the CSAT course. ये सबसे सही टाइम है 15 सितंबर. यू विल कंप्लीट योर बैच बाय द मिड ऑफ द जनवरी या एंड ऑफ द दिसंबर तक आप अपना कोर्स कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. नाउ यू कैन कंप्लीटली फोकस ऑन द जीएस एंड यू कैन कंप्लीट योर प्रैक्टिस एज वेल. आप लोग 15 सितंबर से ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द एडुकेमी वेबसाइट एंड प्लीज ज्वाइन द यूपीएससी फॉर सीसेट चैनल on the Telegram for a daily free practice and the video solution where we are discussing how to solve the question, but is the major requirement of the examination for the CSAT जो आपको clarity से समझ आ जाएंगी. Please join the channel CSAT for UPSC. Thank you.